I am Álvaro Gómez. I am the head of the National Road Safety Observatory, the Directorate General for Road Traffic in the Ministry of Interior in Spain. In Spain, since May 2021, the default speed limit in all Spanish cities on single lane streets is 30 kilometers per hour. Our main target was to reduce the number of fatal and serious crashes in Spanish cities. 8 out of 10 fatalities in cities are vulnerable road users. This means pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, and users of e-scooters. Speed is key to reducing the risk of these users, and we were also very concerned about older people, because we know that European population is aging, and we have a lot of older pedestrians that get killed or seriously injured in road crashes. So this was the main target, but we also had in mind the contribution that a lower speed limit can have to achieving our environmental and public health targets. Lower speed limits contribute to achieving safer, greener, healthier, and more livable cities. The first thing that we have seen is that the situation is rather normal. We haven't had any significant incidences with local authorities when implementing the new speed limit. I guess this is the best news that we can have. It's all gone well. And I think that Spanish drivers and Spanish road users and Spanish cyclists and pedestrians are very comfortable with the new speed limit. So when it comes to road safety, initial figures are good. In 2022, the number of pedestrians killed in Spanish cities was reduced by 13% as compared to pre-pandemic levels. So we have always said that this is a long-term project. It's good that road safety figures seem to go well. The main message is that you can do it. There's no big concern about implementing lower speed limits. There are some fears beforehand, some fears about commercial activities, some fears about commercial speeds, about people taking longer to get to jobs or deliveries being slowed down. But I think that our experience and the experience of many cities across the world that have implemented 30 kilometers per hour speed limits or 20 miles per hour speed limits is that once it is done, things are normal, and there are no big delays, there are no big congestion, there is no increase of pollution. Everything is normal, and everything will get better as time goes by and as local authorities develop this project of having lower speed limits in our cities. We don't have any evidence about cars being damaged more frequently. We heard that before implementing the measure. Cars work at lower engine speed, and this would mean more damage to vehicles or more energy consumption or pollution, but we haven't seen any of that. I guess that or our view is that modern cars have no problem at all with operating at these speeds. There is a safety benefit, and we hope that this safety benefit will get bigger as time goes by. But this is a more broad project. As I mentioned before, lower speeds are crucial to achieving more livable streets. We believe that people need to take back the streets. Too many public space has been devoted to private vehicles, and now The discussion is about how to get people to enjoy streets, not only use streets to get to jobs or get to shopping, or but also to enjoy streets and to meet other people and to make streets more friendly and more livable. And we believe that this will also be a key result of having lower speeds on our cities.